Good morning, my dear kids. I hope you all are doing well and staying home. Today, we are going to talk about the use of can and could. Dear kids, both can and could are used in many ways. So, let's look at the first use of can and could. Can. We use can to talk about someone's skill or general abilities in present or in future. Abilities mean the physical or mental power to do something. For example, John can swim. It shows he is able to swim and he knows how to swim. So, when someone is able to do something in the present, we use can. But if I talk about myself, I cannot swim. That shows I am unable to swim. Could. We use could to talk about someone's skill or general abilities in the past. For example, Ria could play the piano when she was a kid. Here we are talking about the past ability of Ria. That shows she was able to play the piano and she knew how to play the piano when she was a kid, but unable to play the piano in the present. So here we are talking about Ria's past ability. So we have used could. We use can to give permission and ask for permission, but in an informal way. Can is used under informal situations. For example, you can borrow my phone if your phone is not working. Here you are giving someone a permission to borrow your phone, maybe to your friend. So we have used can. Next example. Can I borrow your pen, please? Here you are asking for permission from someone. Could. We use could to ask for permission in a more polite way. Could is more polite and formal. If you ask for a permission from your teacher or from stranger or from your elders, you have to be more polite and say could. For example, could I use your bathroom, please? We also use can when we make an offer to someone. For example, can I carry your bags? Here in this example, we are making an offer to someone. So, we are using can. And we use could to make suggestions. For example, we could go to the movies if you like. Here there is a suggestion. You might also say, we could go for the shopping if you like, or we could go to the party if you like. So here we are making our suggestions. So we are using could. Dear kids, we use can for possibility to show that something is possible but not certain. For example, it can be very cold there at night. It means it's not sure and not certain. Could. We use could for making guesses about the past. For example, what if you could have broken your leg? So, it's just a guess about the past. It might have happened to you. We use can to request something in an informal way. Like when we request for something from our friends, our siblings, or from our cousins, we use can. For example, can you help me, please? And we use could to request something in a more polite and formal way. Like when we request for something from our teachers, from our elders, or from our strangers, we use could because we have to be more polite and formal. For example, could you pass me the salt, please? Dear kids, as you have understood where we use can and where we use could, so your task for today is to fill the following sentences with can or could. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.